Hello guys, thank you for spending a lot of your time all the time watching my videos. Welcome to my channel. My name is Justice. In today's video, I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to make lane changes both left and right on the highway, or even you can do that on the normal regular road. I'm a driver instructor, so mostly I get the question, how do I change lane? How do I do that? Today I'm gonna show you all the tricks involved to changing a successful lane. You don't need to rush in changing of lane because it can create an accident easily. So take your time and watch my video so that you understand everything clearly. So the next point you have to know, before you can change lane, you need to remember one thing called MSB. MSB. So the M means mirror, and the B means blind spot, and the S also means signal. So before you can change lane on the highway, you have to follow those three principles. Follow these three principles and you can never make a mistake on the highway. So whenever you decide to change lane to the left or to the right, the first thing you have to do is to think of M, which is the mirror. So you think of the mirror, the three mirror, the left side mirror, the right side mirror, and the rear view mirror. So you quick check the three mirrors, make sure you are clear to make a move. The next step is think of the S, which is signal. So you signal to the direction that you want to go. Either you want to go to the left or you want to go to the right. So you signal to that direction. Then the final thing you have to think about is the blind spot. So after you have checked the mirror, you have checked the signal to the direction that you want to go, then you check your blind spot to the direction that you want to turn to. So let's say we want to change lane to the left, then you have to check your blind spot in the second window to the left. Let's say we want to change lane to the right, then you have to check your blind spot to the right side on the second window. So in all this, you have to still keep in the lane that you are already. Don't ever turn the wheel. So keep in your lane, signal, make sure you are good, check the mirror, make sure you are good, check your blind spot. When you're safe, then you turn the wheel to the direction that you're going, then you move to the other lane. This is the principles, or this is the procedure to follow to make a successful change of lane. I'm going to demonstrate that in the video coming up so that it will be easy for you to understand how and when to make a successful change of lane. Let's go to the video now. So in this video we're gonna talk about how to change lane. So as you can see, I'm on the middle lane. I want to change lane to the left. The first thing you have to do is to check your mirror. Check your mirror, the rear view mirror, check the right side mirror, check the left side mirror. Then you signal to the left. Don't go right away. Quick check your blind spot. When it's safe, keep the wheel straight. Check your blind spot. When it's safe, then you turn the wheel to the next lane. This is how to change lane to the left. Now I'm gonna change lane again to the right side. What I need to do is to check my mirrors first, signal to the right, check my blind spot. I check the blind spot, I see one guy is already coming, so I can go. Now that guy is going right away. I check my blind spot again, it's clear, then I move smoothly to the other opposite direction of the road. I'm gonna change lane again to the left. First thing you have to do is to check the mirrors, make sure you are safe. Signal to the left. Quick check your blind spot, then you go when it's safe to do so. Now I'm gonna change lane again to the left side. I'm now in the middle lane. So first I check my mirrors again, signal to the left. Quick check my blind spot in the second window. I check again, it's safe, then I go. So when you changing lane, don't ever turn the wheel.
Keep the wheel straight in your lane until you feel like it's safe to do so. Then you turn the wheel. Now watch this final one. I'm gonna change a lane again to the right. So I check the mirrors, all the 3 mirrors, signal to the right, keep the wheel straight. Check the blind spot to the right. Now it's clear. Then I keep going smoothly to the opposite direction of the road. Don't ever turn the wheel when you have not checked your blind spot to make sure you are safe to move to the other lane. This is how to change lanes safely to make sure you don't get into any collision. Thank you.